In this guide, you'll learn how to recover deleted videos from iPhone. Method 1. How to retrieve deleted videos on iPhone using a professional tool. Step 1. Navigate to the application's official website. Download and install the application on your computer. After that, launch the application. Step 2. Connect the iPhone to your PC using a working USB cord. Tap on the Trust button. That will appear with a Trust this computer pop-up message. Step 3. Select the Recover from an iOS device button and hit the Start Scan button to begin scanning for the erased data. All your iPhone's available data will be displayed on the application's interface in categories such as Messages, Videos, Photos, etc. Step 4. Click on the Camera Roll folder. Select the video file you would wish to retrieve, preview it to confirm that it is the one, and click on the Recover button to save that video on the computer. Method 2. How to get a video back from recently deleted folder. When you erase a video or photo, it instantly moves to the recently deleted folder and remains there for at most 30 days. Step 1. Tap your device's Photos icon to launch your device's Photos application. Step 2. Go to the Albums option at the bottom of your iPhone's screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Utilities tab and click the device's recently deleted button. Step 4. Tap the video you would wish to retrieve. Step 5. Go to the lower right corner and tap the Recover button to restore the video file back. Method 3. How to recover deleted video on iPhone from iCloud Photos. It's essential to note that you can only restore videos using this method if they are backed up on iCloud. Step 1. Use your Apple ID and password to log into iCloud.com. Step 2. Go to the Photos option on the iCloud interface and click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear under Albums on the left side of the interface. Navigate to the options and click on the Recently Deleted option. Step 4. You'll get a list of the backed up videos. Identify the one you want to retrieve and click its thumbnail to select it. Step 5. After selecting the video, go to the top left corner of your device's screen and click on the Recover button. With that, you'll have restored your precious video to your iPhone. Method 4. How to recover permanently deleted videos from iPhone using iCloud Backup. Step 1. Back up the data in your iPhone before resetting the device. This ensures that all your files are safe in case anything goes wrong as you restore your device. After that, continue to reset the iPhone. Step 2. Initiate the iPhone reset process by tapping on the Settings app. Step 3. Navigate to General and select the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Step 4. Click on the Erase All Content and Settings button. With that, your iPhone will start to reset. The process may take a while before it is complete. Step 5. After that, you'll get an app and data screen. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Ensure your Apple device has a stable Wi-Fi connection during the entire process. Step 6. Use your Apple ID and password to sign into an iCloud account and review the available backup versions. Step 7. Search for a backup containing the deleted video and choose the most recent backup. Select the backup to restore videos from the iCloud backup to your Apple device. Step 8. After the process completes, check the Photos app to see whether your desired video has been recovered. Method 5. How to restore deleted videos on iPhone from iTunes backup. Note that this technique will only work if you've backed up the iPhone data to iTunes. Step 1. Use a working USB cable to link the iPhone to a computer. Authenticate the connection by clicking the Trust button under the Trust This Computer pop-up message. Step 2. Open the iTunes app on your computer. Step 3. Go to the Applications interface and navigate the menu on the left side to locate your device. Select the iPhone icon from the drop-down menu and double-click on it. Step 4. Go to the top right corner of the screen and press the Sync Settings button. Step 5. A summary page will appear. Click on the Restore Backup option. Step 6. Select a backup version and then wait for the recovery process to complete. Step 7. Finally, eject the iPhone and check whether your desired video has been restored. Method 6. How to get deleted videos back on iPhone by re-downloading from iTunes Store. If you purchased a video from the iTunes Store and accidentally deleted it from your device, you can still re-download it. Step 1. Launch the Apple TV app. Step 2. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap the Library tab. Step 3. Search through the library to identify the video you want to restore to your iPhone. You may be forced to tap the Family Sharing tab to locate the item. Step 4. After you get the video, tap on it and then hit on the Download button to restore it to your Apple device.